Geobyte.
Hi friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us know how to find the cubes of two-digit number, any two-digit number like 23 whole cube, 34 whole cube, 42 whole cube, etc. just within 3 seconds. I am going to explain a simple and very easy math trick to get the answer for any two digit number cubes just within 3 seconds. For that, you need to remember, you need to recollect the formula what you have studied at your school level study. That formula is a plus b whole cube. Look at the a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If you remember this formula, simple formula, you can get the cube of any two digit number just within 3 seconds. Let us take an example. Let it be 27 whole cube. In this 27, you assume this 2 as A and 7 as B. Then the formula you need to remember is A cube 3A square B 3AB square B cube. You try to remember this particular simple relation for getting the answer for any two digit number just within 2 seconds. Now let us take the very first one. Look at the number 23 whole cube. You write like a cube means 2 cube, 3a square b, 3a square b, 3ab square, 3ab square and b cube, 3 cube. Means I am assuming this is a and this is b. Okay, it is equal to, what is the 2 cube? You know the value of 2 cube is 8. Next, 3 is 3 2 square 3. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12 into 3, 36. 36. 3 into 2, 6. 3 square is 9. 9 into 6 is 54. 3 cube 27. Then you write like this: 8, 36, 54, 27. You write the 7 here and the 2 is carry forward. 2. Add 54 and 2, 56. Write 6 here. 5 carry forward. Add 5 with 36, 41. From the 41 write 1 here. 4 carry forward. Finally 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. 12,167. 12,167 be the value of 23 whole cube. See how simply you are getting the answer. Similarly, let us take the other number. Look at the number 34 whole cube. This 3 you assume as A, 4 is assumed as B. Then the formula A cube, 3 cube, 3a square b, 3a square B, 3ab square, 3ab square, and finally b cube, 4 cube. It is equal to 27. 3 into 3 square into 4. 3 square is 9. 9 into 3, 27 into 4, 108. Okay. Then 4 square. 4 square, 16 into 3, 48 into 3, 144. 144. Finally, 4 cube is 64. 64. Write this 4 here. 6 carry forward. Then 144 plus 6, 150. 0 here, 15. 15 plus 108, 123. Write 3 here. 12 carry forward. Finally, 12 plus 27, how much? 39. 39,304 be the value of 34 whole cube. See how simply you are getting the answer. Since I am explaining the each and every point, it is taking some time, but I can give the answer just within 3 seconds. You can also give the answer just within 3 seconds if you practice in the better way. Dear friends, remember, to get the success in any competitive exam, practice is very, very important. Practice, practice, and practice is the ladder for getting the success in our life. Similarly, let us take the other number. Look at the number 42 whole cube. You presume this 4 as A and 2 as B. Then the relation is A cube, 4 cube, 3A square B, 3A square B, 3AB square, 3AB square, finally B cube, 2 cube. Here 4 cube is, this 4 cube is 64. 4 square 16 into 3 48 into 2 96. 2 square 4 into 4 16 into 3 48. 2 cube is 8. Write this 8 here. From the 48 you write 8 here, 4 carry forward. 96 plus 4, 100, 0 here, 10 carry forward. 10 plus 64 is the 74. 74,088 be the value of 42 whole cube. I hope all of you clearly understood. Similarly, the next number is, look at the number 53 whole cube. 53 whole cube. You assume this 5 as A, 3 as B. A cube is the 5 cube. 3A square B, 3A square B, 3AB square, and B cube is 3 cube. It is equal to 5 cube. 5 cube is how much? 125. 5 square 25 into 3 75 into 3 225. 225. 3 square 9. 9 into 5 45 into 3 135. The last one 3 cube is 27. From the 27, you write 7 here to carry forward. 2 plus 135, 137, write 7 here, 13 carry forward. 13 plus 225 is 238, write 8 here, 23 carry forward. 23 plus 125 is 148. 148877 with the value of 53 whole cube. I hope all of you clearly understood how to find the cubes of any two-digit number. Now it is the time to write some practice problems for you. Let me write the practice problems for you. Dear friends, you try to practice for 26 whole cube, 64 whole cube, 71 whole cube. Anyhow, you try to practice once again all these numbers, because practice is very important for getting success in our life. While you are practicing, if you find any doubt, you please send your doubt to GeoByte. Definitely I will answer within 24 hours. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.